Tell me if you really cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm with it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Secret in the middle of the night. I don't let you see as I put it down right for babe. I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga and you can take your life, oh babe. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody but you go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody that you shower and now you're afraid, little babe. Everything you do
on YouTube, it's your girl Renee, back at it again with another video. And today I wanted to show you guys a quick little box opening time video. So before we get started, before we get to go with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and click like, click share, and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to Renee's Family and Friends, where we keep it positive only. So let's get to the video. So over here is my Shein order that just arrived like about 10 minutes ago. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'm excited to show you guys. I was thinking I should do a haul, a try on haul, but I don't know. We'll see. It's all depend on how I feel. But anyways, let's see. I had started to tear up. First, I'm going to take it out the package just so you guys, just in case I don't do a try on haul. Hold on. Bro, I swear I shouldn't be trying me. This was supposed to be a set. Where is the pants? Hold on. Where is the pants? Okay, I see what you did there. You did not say it was just a top. I could have sworn, y'all, it did not say a freaking tops on it. It literally showed me the joggers and the little tank top. But okay, Shein, that's like, what is going on? Don't get me tight. Next, what we got here? So I have a trip coming out, which I'm super excited about. And like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. We are on the road to freaking 4K subscribers, and I can't wait to share. I'm gonna take you guys on the journey, traveling to trade, where I'm going, and what I'm doing. So make sure you guys don't want to miss whatever's coming next on this channel. Like I said, make sure you guys go ahead. Subscribe to friend, sister, tell your uncle, tell your grandma, tell everybody. Subscribe to Renee Concrete channel. So, okay, this is a continuation. I bought this is a new. I bought for my sister. I hope she likes it. Okay, so these are just gifts I bought for my sister. This is just for my sister. So if I have nothing that belongs to me, I was supposed to shop for myself, but I ended up shopping for everybody who was close to me. I literally shop for everybody. It was supposed to be me shopping for my trip. It's gonna be one of my big for the trip. Okay, so now y'all definitely gotta comment down below what fit, like what shoe do I need to use? I was thinking with my high top Nike or with my white and black Jordan. Y'all gotta help me. Yeah, I gotta call Bestie. But she already knocked out and she was don't know what we wear with this. This is so cute, guys. I was supposed to order the hat, and I'm just gonna wear this with a like white tee. Ooh, I'm getting excited now. Finally. This is, I would have taken out, but because it's just some things I'm not personally. Just because. And they could open it themselves. And what is this? You can't match it, but this one definitely needs to be. And what is this? Oh, she tried it. Bruh. What the fuck? They put the shit on the website just to like get on your nerves. Like these are not important, so that's why I'm not even showing you guys.
Says cause you bad, you could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. Go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
My nerves so far. Oh, this is my nipple cover. So we can cover my nipple. Cover my nipple. Dip it on the shirt or clothes I'm wearing so I can cover my titties. Of course. Is that for me?
I'll see you at the show tonight.
Oh, they're just another fit I bought. I'm always being nice to people. Like, I'm always being nice to people, and it's always been me being misunderstood by literally everyone. Either that they judge me or they just talk so much shit about me. But I'm always being good. But it is what it is. Like I said, the ones I threw in front of me, these are just, I guess you could just say gifts I just bought for somebody. So, yeah. See, I already took 3 out of me giving them gifts. And so for myself, I only have 1 set of fit for my own trip. Now, what is this? Everything I took out of the bag will belong to me. Anything I don't take out of the bag, I just put it down. No, give it to me. So, this is a So, I also don't know what I'm supposed to wear this with. I don't know what I'm supposed to wear this dress with. So if you guys have an idea, let me know down in the comment section below as well, so I can pack my suitcase. Because so far I don't know what I'm wearing with none of the fits I'm showing you guys. Fits for me. And over here we got another set. skirt. This is a skirt. And this is just a tank top. But so far, I don't know what I'm supposed to wear. I have shoes, but I don't think I'm going to be wearing heels all the time. So yeah. What is this? It's a This is the sixth outfit Okay, this is another dress. Let's go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Oh, I like your control. Let's get the basics. Yeah, this is the one. He's so replaceable. So far, I got 4 kids. You're worth that choice, it's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Which is my best one, so successful. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces. And the saying goes, life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Very pretty. Whoa, whoa, like I said, I have all this bits on my trip. You're worth that choice, yeah, but enough. Another gift. It's alright. Another gift. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable. This is another gift for my sister. Just like fine China. Took me a while, you know. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time in this celebrate. Daily, baby, in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, says cause you mad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me right? Early, baby, lady, show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. What is that? Windy City, she blowing me kisses. You look like strawberry socks. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. What is this? Well, I see you at the show some stripper stuff. Well, I see you at the show tonight. Oh, that's what it is. That's to put over my bikini. That's what it is, y'all. It's a dress for me to put over my bikini. Bikini. See? See you guys. I guess I could do that. And my nipple cover can also go in there. This is from my funny because it showed me it's a whole box. And it's, I think it says a book. It didn't even say it was just a Alright guys, I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. Like I said, I just wanted to do a box opening time video for you guys. So make sure you guys comment down below in the section. In the comment section to let me know what shoes. Like, show me some ideas. What shoes should I wear with the fits? I need you guys to tell me what shoes am I supposed to wear. Like I said, I don't have to put here to what to wear with any of this outfit. So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys definitely stay tuned for the next videos, because like I said, I am going out of town on vacation and I'll be recording on the trip. Last time I didn't record anything. So this time I'm just promising myself to make all the activities I have planned. So yeah, so make sure you guys click like, click share, and subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment in the section below. Let me know what shoes should I wear with each of these outfits. Alright, so it was nice chilling and chit-chatting with you guys. Until next time, Renee's family.
In that brand new Gotti, fuck a cop car. Got the club moving like a golf cart. She gon' like me when I'm hotter like a Pop-Tart. I don't even chop it, now I'm a pop star. Fuck that man you been with, girl, he basic. I can see right through him, yeah.